Huh?
Where are we going today?
Oh, we're going to Burg, Epstein.
Yeah.
In the town of Epstein.
So it's a castle in
Oh, it's a castle. Burg.
Epstein.
Burg equals castle.
Yes.
In Epstein. It's what, 20 minutes away from
Wiesbaden, yeah.
Wiesbaden?
And we brought our dog. Hey.
Yeah.
If you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to hear, see cool new things in our adventures. So like and subscribe. It's like the smallest cemetery in the world. That leads up to the big castle. Brought our dog today. See how this goes. Hey. We are on our way to Burg Eppstein.
Epstein.
Epstein?
Ep.
Huh?
Eppstein? Epstein. Epstein. And there it is. The town of Epstein. Well, I tried to get underneath the door. See what happens. Maybe over here. What's over here? Huh? Gotta always try. Little seating area before you die because of the falling rock. Hope we make it out. We don't know where we're going. We just decided to take a little drive. We saw a little thing that said castle, so we decided to come up here. No plan, no real hike planned out or anything. We'll just go in and look at the side of that. Just the side of the castle.
What is that?
Let's climb it.
Don't think you can.
I'm going to try. I don't want to die.
Alright.
Those people going up there.
Look at that area, yeah.
There's one over here.
Yeah. It's your little dungeon.
I don't know what that was for. Horses, maybe?
Maybe.
I know, I just
That's all horse poop. It's not mud, that's horse poop. It's
Really?
just matted down.
Nice.
That's one thing. Everything is very dog friendly here in Germany. They always have poop bags. Right? Poop bags and a place to
Compost them.
compost the poop whenever you drop it off for your doggies. But this one won't poop. Hey, are you gonna poop? Hey, are you gonna poop? Abel, are you gonna poop? No. You wanna go up here? Let Mom go. You wanna see this? What's up there? On our adventure to nowhere. Goodbye, Burg, Epstein. Epstein? Epstein. Burg, Epstein. That house must have had a fire.
What?
Toilet in there. You want a toilet?
No.
No?
Look at this little room that they have on there. I want that.
Yeah.
How cute is that?
You can't.
Don't videotape hospital.
It's like some sort of mill, right? Some sort of factory.
Yeah, that does.
That stopped working.
Maybe. It's older. Cool lamps. Or lights on the street.
Helping out a local German. Push his car. Well done.
Things you do in Germany.
You just need a little push start.
Just need a little push.
That was fantastic.
Are you gonna go up there? Look at it.
I'm doing the pose right
Is
now.
that the pose? That's the pose? Okay. Is that what it looks like? Nope, the other way. Hands the other way. Yeah.
Down, hands down.
Should have your weapon on you. Must be a World War One, like memorial or something.
That's World War One.
Yeah, that's what I said. World War One.
That's from World War One?
Yeah.
That's like
It's probably everybody that died from this town in World War One.
Yeah.
Probably statue.
Johann Fritz. You gonna get it? What is it? Get it, Bob.
Let's get
Get him.
Let's get him. What is it? Let's get him. Get him.
Come on.
He doesn't like that soldier. Get him.
It's fake, Bob.
Let's get him. Town Epstein. Epstein?
That's fine.
Epstein.
it's not here.
Something small. Had a castle.
Well, we aren't quite done yet, because we're gonna go get ice cream at the ice cafe. He doesn't like people watching him. We went to this little ice cafe. Chris got cookies and cream.
I think it's just
Cookies, cookies, and it was excellent.
Yep.
Okay, what'd you get, babe?
Air bear.
Air bear.
Strawberry.
I had chocolate. Probably still some on my face. It was good though.
Abel, what kind did you have?
Cookies.
Good.
Cookies.
You had some cookies. Wait, come here. Want cookie?
Not sanitary.
Yeah.
That's not sanitary.
All right.
Nice little stop after our weird little hike around town.
All right, that's a wrap. Maybe another day. Not Burg, Burg Epstein. Look towards this. Nice. Okay. That'll be our cover for this thumbnail. How about that?